Lesson 2, Countable and Uncountable Nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted as one or more, and s is usually added to make the word plural. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. They usually express as a group or a type. Singular and plural forms of countable nouns: computer, computers; bottle, bottles; spoon, spoons; desk, desks; cup, cups; shoe, shoes; chair, chairs; finger, fingers; flower, flowers; stick, sticks; book, books. Countable nouns work with expressions such as a few, many, some, every, each, these, and the number of. Let's see some examples. A few computers, many bottles, some spoons, every desk, each cup, the number of chairs, these books. Countable nouns work with appropriate articles a, an, or the. Examples: the computer, a bottle; the spoon, a desk; the flower, an apple; a book, the cup. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns usually express a group or a type such as liquids. Uncountable nouns are also used for things that are too numerous to count, such as sand and rice. Some examples are water, wood, ice, air; oxygen, traffic, milk, rice. Uncountable nouns work both with and without definite article the, depending on the context of the sentence. Examples: sugar is sweet; the sunshine is beautiful; I drink milk; he eats rice; we need oxygen; the wood is burning. Uncountable nouns work with expressions such as some, any, enough, this, that, and much. Examples: we ate some rice and milk; I hope to see some sunshine today; this meat is good; he does not have much furniture; do you see any traffic on the road? That wine is very old. Let's see quiz on countable and uncountable nouns in the next video.